Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to register an ISO to Apache CloudStack. The CloudStack version I'm using is 4.18.1 and it is installed in Ubuntu Server version 22.4. There are two ways to register ISO to the CloudStack. The first way is to directly register the ISO from the official website where the ISO is hosted, and the second way is to register it where you hosted the ISO file locally using Apache 2. So today we're going to register Ubuntu Server ISO. So we go to the Ubuntu official website and we copy the URL to download the ISO. The next step is we go to the images ISO and give the name up to you. Change the OS type and we enable the feature. Uh, all of these are optional, but I recommend enable the feature. And then select OK. Register ISO, successfully registered. And then we can see the state is still not ready. To check the download progress, just click the ISO, go to zones, and it is 0% downloaded. So we'll wait until the download is finished. After a while, the download is already finished and the status changed to successfully installed. And if we go back to the ISO page, the state is already ready. Okay. The second way is to host the ISO locally from your computer using Apache 2 web server. To do it, we need to install the Apache 2 so you can update your OS, and then we install the Apache 2. After the installation is finished, we can check the status for the Apache 2, and the state is already active. And then let's check by entering the IP address where you install the Apache 2. If you successfully installed the Apache 2, you can see the Apache 2 dashboard. So the next step is we need to host the ISO to this web server page. To do it, I've already downloaded the Ubuntu server ISO in my local computer. And then we're going to move the ISO file to Apache 2 directory. So we move the ISO to /var/www to HTML. And then we're going to delete the index.html file. Then we're going to refresh the Apache 2 web server. Now we've already successfully hosted the ISO file in the Apache 2. So we can we go to the CloudStack, and then we need to configure on the global setting, and then search storage, and we need to change the value of the allow internal sites. So we change the value to our local network where we hosted the Apache 2. So, and don't forget to use this .2/24. This is my network. And after that, you can go to the image. We go to ISO, register ISO. We copy the ISO file from the Apache 2 web server. We give the name Ubuntu server local, hosted from Apache Web Server. And now it is installing. And now it is successfully installed. Register the locally hosted ISO. There we have it, 2 ways to register ISO in Apache CloudStack.